Hi everyone, I'm Shruti and I'm a digital marketer with over 5 years of experience in the same industry. And today I am reviewing for SimpliLearn Digital Marketing Course. It is a professional course and it is widely advertised course powered by SP Jain and Purdue University. I will break it down across 10 key areas to see what is behind the branding, right? And so Simply Learn is offering three type of courses. One is the SEO professional course. So this is affiliated by OMCP. It is registered for education provider. And the second is digital marketing specialist program. This is for 8 months and it is powered by Meta. And the third is professional certification in digital marketing. It is recognized by SP Jain School of Global Management. This is professional certification in digital marketing course is quite expensive in terms of the digital marketing specialist course because digital marketing specialist is recognized by Meta and it is ranging from 54,000 and the professional certification in digital marketing course is ranging from 1 lakh to 1.10 lakh. So let's explore this professional certification program. I'm going to the view program and then let's read their highlights because it is exclusively masterclass led by SP Jain faculty. So it is like by the name you can recognize that it comes from the professional faculty. And then the 30 plus digital marketing skills are there in this course in 100 plus live sessions. So approx it is becoming 8 months. And then they are even providing you a chance to work on the hands-on projects like the 35 plus tools and 20 plus real world projects. So they are even giving you a chance to win the $99 Meta voucher after the Meta Export sessions. All right, so the application will close on 30th July in this month only, and the program duration is 8 months. And the learning format is completely online and the live sessions. So they have not given any option for the offline classes. Now I'm coming to the curriculum, but let's talk about the key features first. So this is masterclass delivered by SPGen Global top faculties and they have also given that they will be giving you a chance to work on 30 plus top digital marketing tools. We'll discuss those tools later. And they have also given you the case studies. These are the 10 plus case studies which are crafted on brands like Adidas, KFC, Nike, Intel, and more. So this is very nice because these are the top brands and you will learn a lot from them. And there are five capstone problem statements and 15 plus courses and projects. So this is again a very good feature of this course. Also, the plus point here is they are covering Gen AI for the sales and marketing purpose. And that's quite a good option because it is very essential in 2025. So talking about the certifications, certifications are excellent provided by SPGen or Purdue. Plus, Meta Blueprint exam vouchers are also included in this. So, all these are good branding points, but certificates alone won't guarantee you a job. You would have to work over the skills. Now, I'm coming to the curriculum that's very important part of the course. So, they are covering SEO, SEM, social media marketing, strategies for paid campaigns, content strategy, everything, I guess, digital marketing capstones, B2B marketing, but they are slightly lacking with the resume building sessions and the mock interview preparations because it is very essential for any of the course and for you to land a job. So it should be there in this course, but I think it's not there. So now let's talk about the skills you will cover. These are the website creation, content marketing, social media marketing, AI in marketing, generative AI tools. So this is quite good, undoubtedly good. If I talk about the tools, there are 50 plus tools covered, including HRF, YouTube, Google Ads, SEM, HubSpot, Hootsuite. So it is good as well. So it includes multiple case studies and the 49 plus tools, which is a wide variety. And now I'm coming to the capstone projects. So they are even covering the Skill Candy, Adidas, Contract Works. These are the top brands, and they are even including these in their projects. So there is something in this course, I can say. Now, if I talk about the trainers, so they are the professionals from the SBGen University and the Meta. But the and they have also given the public profile link so you can undoubtedly go and check. Now coming to their hiring companies and the customers. So these are the top brands mentioned here: Google, Facebook, IBM, LinkedIn, Amazon. etc. So this is they are showing their tie-ups, but the weak point here is they are not guaranteeing you a job and a money refund policy, which can be a weaker option for this course. They can help you with the job, but like the mock interviews and all, which is not guaranteed even, but they are not guaranteeing or committing a job to you. So if I come to the fees, then the fees is somewhere 1,10,000 rupees, and it comes with the EMI option as well. So now let's explore the digital marketing specialist program of this SimpliLearn. Now I'm talking about it's a specialist program. So they are also covering the modules like SEO, SEM, email, social media, and analytics as well. And they are even covering 35 plus essential digital marketing tools. And Gen AI is also included in this. And the official partner is Meta. So this batch is starting from the 23 of August. So let's check their curriculum and the key features. It is again they are covering 35 plus digital marketing course and 10 plus case studies, same as the previous one, the professional one. And they are also providing with a $99 Meta Certified Digital Marketing Associate exam voucher. So it is again good. So overall the features are similar as the professional one, and digital marketing certificates are somewhere different, but you won't get a certificate of SPGen. Rest of the certificates will remain same. So the let's go to the curriculum section, and the curriculum section is almost same. There is nothing different, but they are even covering the Gen AI in this. So this is quite good, and the skills are same. They are covering 14 plus skills. The tools are the same, and the capstone projects are the same: Skull Candy, Adidas, and Grand Savings Bank, etc. So this is again quite good. And the program trainers are not the same but professionals. So these are the reviews of the learners. So they have given the positive reviews on their website, and they have even connected the LinkedIn onto their course reviews. So the fees of this course is 54,000, which is very much cheaper than the professional one. And I would recommend that if you are a beginner and you are also targeting a 5 to 6 LPA job, then this course is good for you. And there is no need to go with the professional one because the difference is not that much wide, right? And now I will go to the Trustpilot reviews. Let's check what people have written there. So they have rated, so they are rated as 4.5 out of 5. And so they are rated as 4.5 on the Trustpilot. And let's check what people have written about them. So there are overall the good reviews over Trustpilot. There is nothing to scare of. So I'm summing up, and this course is overall great for the beginners and the working professionals as well, because if they are looking for the online programs and all, they can go for this. The only thing that this course is lacking is the offline mode only. And now I am coming to my honest verdict that this course curriculum and relevance, this is covering SEO content, mobile and analytics, and Gen AI as well. So I will give it as one. And then the certification and recognition, so it is again one because it provides you the globally recognized certificates like SPGen and Meta Blueprint. So it is again one, but the clarity over the HubSpot, Meta Business Suite, and like the Google is missing. So I can even give it 0.5, but I won't. And then the mode of learning is online only. So I will rate it 0.5 because offline, most of the students will go for the offline only. So there should be a flexibility. But the trainer expertise and industry experience, they have done a good job in this. So the trainer's expertise and industry experience is also good because now the knowledge of tools and access, it is again good. I will mark as one. And the placement support and career guidance, there is no placement guarantee, and it is not guaranteeing you a like career support like the resume building and the mock interviews. So I will give it 0. And the course duration and fee structure is again nice. It depends upon the course which you are choosing, like the professional one and the master's one. So I will give it 1. And after course support, this is again very limited because they will provide you the recorded content, and the reviews are mixed. So I will give it 0.5. The reviews and the reputation of institute is good, but as I have checked previously that the Reddit users have reported poor support and misleading claims. So I can't judge it, but I will give it 0.5. Now coming to the hands-on learning and the practical exposure, it is 1 because they are covering all of the tools that is mandatory. Now overall it becomes a 7.5 out of 10. So overall this course is nice for the working professionals. You can definitely consider this course. Now if you want to go with my suggestions and my recommendation, then I have linked that in this my description box. If you want the certificates, credibility, flexible scheduling, SimpliLearn could be an option. But for the career focused learners, they needs consistent and the teaching quality. So it can be better as well. So now if you have any doubts, you can feel free to drop them in the comment section. I will reply all of them one by one. And if you like this video, just don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye and happy learning.